tung 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 tung.
Assalamualaikum dan hai semua, apa khabar? Eid Mubarak to those who celebrate. Today's lesson is a part of a series related to vocabulary of opposite words. Understanding the concept of opposites is important as it helps you to learn how to compare two different things to develop a more concrete understanding of a specific concept, for example, hard versus soft, and can significantly enhance vocabulary retention, which means it is easier to recall both words when you learn the opposite of a word. Let's start with the first opposite. Cepat, cepat. Perlahan, perlahan. Cepat means fast, hurry. Lambat means slow, late. Let's study the words with useful sentences. Cepat sikit, cepat sikit. Hurry, or word-by-word translation is hurry a bit. The opposite of cepat, which is perlahan, as in the sentence, perlahan sikit, perlahan sikit. Slow down a bit. The next opposite words are panjang, panjang. Pendek, pendek. Panjang means long, pendek means short. Let's look at these words in context. Rambut Sarah panjang. Rambut Sarah panjang. Sarah's hair is long. The opposite of panjang, which is pendek, as described in the following sentence, seluar Ali pendek. Seluar Ali pendek. Ali's pants is short. The next opposite words are panas, panas. Sejuk, sejuk. Some people pronounce the word sejuk as sejuk or sejuk. Panas means hot. Sejuk means cold. Let's check out these words in a sentence. Cuaca semalam panas. Cuaca semalam panas. Yesterday's weather was hot. If you want to check the video about the weather, which is cuaca in Malay, I have created a lesson on this, so please check the link above or from the description box. The opposite of panas is sejuk, as described in the following sentence. Saya mahu air sejuk. Saya mahu air sejuk. I want cold water. The next opposite words are depan, depan. Belakang, belakang. Depan also has another synonym, which is hadapan. However, the word hadapan is more formal. In spoken, I usually use depan. Depan or hadapan means in front of. Belakang means behind. Let's see these words in context. Duduk depan saya. Duduk depan saya. Sit in front of me. This is a request or an order to another person. And the opposite, which is belakang, jalan belakang saya. Jalan belakang saya. Walk behind me. This is also a request or an order to another person. The next opposite words are penuh, penuh. Kosong, kosong. Penuh means full. Kosong means empty. Or as a number, it means 0. Let's look at some sentences related to these opposite words. Gelas ni dah penuh. Gelas ni dah penuh. This glass is already full. Sila isi tempat kosong. Sila isi tempat kosong. Please fill in the empty space. The word sila is normally used in formal context to mean please in English when requesting something from the intended person. This is a request to fill up the empty space, like while filling up a form or entering a hall to fill up the empty seats. The next opposite words are siang, siang, malam, malam. Siang means day, malam means night. Let's study these words in context. Saya kerja pada waktu siang. Saya kerja pada waktu siang. I work during the day. Saya tidur pada waktu malam. Saya tidur pada waktu malam. I sleep at night. The next opposite words are gembira, gembira, sedih, sedih. Gembira means to be happy. Sedih means to be sad. Let's look at some sentences related to these opposite words. Saya rasa gembira. Saya rasa gembira. I feel happy. The word rasa is optional in spoken Malay, especially when talking about the state of emotion. You may omit it and it won't change the meaning of the sentence. The opposite of gembira is sedih. Saya menangis bila rasa sedih. Saya menangis bila rasa sedih. I cry when I feel sad. The next opposite words are tua, tua, muda, muda. Tua means old, muda means young. Tua and muda can also be used for colors to mean dark or light. Please check out the colors lesson from the link above or from the description box. Now, let's check out the sample sentences in context. Sila hormat orang tua. Sila hormat orang tua. Please respect the elders. Awak nampak muda. Awak nampak muda. You look young. The next opposite words are buka, buka, tutup, tutup. These are verbs. Buka means to open. Tutup means to close. Let's look at some sentences related to these opposite words. Tolong buka tingkap. Tolong buka tingkap. Please open the window. And the opposite, kedai tu dah tutup. Kedai tu dah tutup. That shop is closed. Or that shop is already closed. And the final opposite words are kecil, kecil, besar, besar. Kecil means small, besar means big. Colloquially, we also say kecil as kecil, kecil, with L removed and updated with the letter K. Now, let's check out the sample sentences in context. Kucing saya kecil. Kucing saya kecil. My cat is small. Alternatively, in spoken Malay, I will say, kucing saya kecil. Kucing saya kecil. My cat is small. Gajah sangat besar. Gajah sangat besar. The elephant is very big. We will end the lesson here. You may check out more lessons from the playlist that I have made. And for those who want to practice speaking Malay with me, please check out the link 3 here. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.